Welcome to Research Hub. Case study methodology offers researchers an exciting opportunity to explore intricate phenomena within specific contexts using a wide range of data sources and collection methods. It is highly pertinent in health and social sciences, environmental studies, social work, education, and business studies. So, first, what is a case study? A case study method involves a detailed examination of a single subject, such as an individual, group, organization, event, or community, to explore and understand complex issues in real-life contexts. By focusing on one specific case, researchers can gain a deep understanding of the factors and dynamics at play, understanding their complex relationships, which might be missed in broader, more quantitative studies. When to do a case study? A case study design is useful when you want to explore a phenomenon in depth and in its natural context. We discuss some examples of when to use a case study. 1. Exploratory research. When you want to explore a new topic or phenomenon, a case study can help you understand the subject deeply. For example, a researcher studying a newly discovered plant species might use a case study to document its characteristics and behavior. 2. Descriptive research. If you want to describe a complex phenomenon or process, a case study can provide a detailed and comprehensive description. For instance, a case study design could describe the experiences of a group of individuals living with a rare disease. 3. Explanatory research. When you want to understand why a particular phenomenon occurs, a case study can help you identify causal relationships. A case study design could investigate the reasons behind the success or failure of a particular business strategy. For theory building, case studies can also be used to develop or refine theories. By systematically analyzing a series of cases, researchers can identify patterns and relationships that can contribute to developing new theories or refining existing ones. 5. Critical instance. Sometimes, a single case can be used to study a rare or unusual phenomenon, but it is important for theoretical or practical reasons. For example, the case of Phineas Gage, a man who survived a severe brain injury, has been widely studied to understand the relationship between the brain and behavior. 6. Comparative analysis. Case studies can also compare different cases or contexts. A case study example involves comparing the implementation of a particular policy in different countries to understand its effectiveness and identifying best practices. What is a case study in research? A case study in research is an impactful tool for gaining a deep understanding of complex issues within their real-life context. It combines various data collection methods and provides rich. What are the advantages of using case studies in research? Case studies are a powerful research method, offering advantages such as in-depth analysis, contextual insights, flexibility, rich data, and the ability to handle complex issues. They are particularly valuable for exploring new areas, generating hypotheses, and providing detailed, illustrative examples that can inform theory and practice. Question: can case studies be used in quantitative research? While case studies are predominantly associated with qualitative research, they can effectively incorporate quantitative methods to provide a more comprehensive analysis. A mixed methods approach leverages qualitative and quantitative research strengths, offering a powerful tool for exploring complex issues in a real-world context. For example, a new medical treatment case study can incorporate quantitative clinical outcomes along with qualitative patient interviews. What are the key components of a case study? A case study typically includes several key components. 1. Introduction, which provides an overview and sets the context by presenting the problem statement and research objectives. 2. Literature review, which connects the study to existing theories and prior research. 3. Methodology, which details the case study design, data collection methods, and analysis techniques. 4. Findings, which present the data and results, including descriptions, patterns, and themes. 5. Discussion and conclusion, which interpret the findings, discuss their implications, and offer conclusions, practical applications, limitations, and suggestions for future research. Together, these components ensure a comprehensive, systematic, and insightful exploration of the case. Next, how to create a case study, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Select a case. Careful case selection ensures relevance, insight, and meaningful contribution to existing knowledge in your field. Here's how you can choose a case study design. Define your objectives. Clarify the purpose of your case study and what you hope to achieve. Do you want to provide new insights, challenge existing theories, propose solutions to a problem, or explore new research directions? Consider unusual or outlying cases. Focus on unusual, neglected, or outlying cases that can provide unique insights. Choose a representative case. Alternatively, select a common or representative case to exemplify a particular category, experience, or phenomenon. Avoid bias. Ensure your selection process is unbiased using random or criteria-based selection. Be clear and specific. Clearly define the boundaries of your study design. Ethical considerations. Consider ethical issues, such as confidentiality and informed consent. Step 2. Build a theoretical framework. To ensure your case study has a solid academic foundation, it's important to build a theoretical framework. Conduct a literature review. Identify key concepts and theories relevant to your case study. Establish connections with theory. Connect your case study with existing theories in the field. Guide your analysis and interpretation. Use your theoretical framework to guide your analysis, ensuring your findings are grounded in established theories and concepts. Step 3. Collect your data. To conduct a comprehensive case study, you can use various research methods. These include interviews, observations, primary and secondary sources analysis, surveys, and a mixed methods approach. Step 4. Describe and analyze the case. How you report your findings will depend on the type of research you're conducting. Here are 2 approaches. Structured approach follows a scientific paper format, making it easier for readers to follow your argument. Narrative approach, a more exploratory style aiming to analyze meanings and implications. Regardless of the approach you choose, it's important to include the following elements in your case study. Contextual details. Provide background information about the case, including relevant historical, cultural, and social factors that may have influenced the outcome. Literature and theory. Connect your case study to existing literature and theory in the field. Discuss how your findings contribute to or challenge existing knowledge. Wider patterns or debates. Consider how your case study fits into wider patterns or debates within the field. Discuss any implications your findings may have for future research or practice. Case studies offer a range of benefits, making them a powerful tool in research. 1. In-depth analysis. Comprehensive understanding. Case studies allow researchers to thoroughly explore a subject, understanding the complexities and nuances involved. Rich data. They offer rich qualitative and sometimes quantitative data, capturing the intricacies of real-life contexts. 2. Contextual insight. Real-world application. Case studies provide insights into real-world applications, making the findings highly relevant and practical. Context-specific. They highlight how various factors interact within a specific context, offering a detailed picture of the situation. 3. Flexibility. Methodological diversity. Case studies can use various data collection methods, including interviews, observations, document analysis, and surveys. Adaptability. Researchers can adapt the case study approach to fit the specific needs and circumstances of the research. 4. Practical solutions. Actionable insights. The detailed findings from case studies can inform practical solutions and recommendations for practitioners and policymakers. Problem solving. They help understand the root causes of problems and devise effective strategies to address them. 5. Unique cases. Rare phenomena. Case studies are particularly valuable for studying rare or unique cases that other research methods may not capture. Detailed documentation. They document and preserve detailed information about specific instances that might otherwise be overlooked. What are the limitations of a case study? While case studies offer valuable insights and a detailed understanding of complex issues, they have several limitations. 1. Limited generalizability. Specific context. Case studies often focus on a single case or a small number of cases, which may limit the generalization of findings to broader populations or different contexts. Unique situations. The unique characteristics of the case may not be representative of other situations, reducing the applicability of the results. 2. Subjectivity. Researcher bias. The researcher's perspectives and interpretations can influence the analysis and conclusions, potentially introducing bias. Participant bias. Participants' responses and behaviors may be influenced by their awareness of being studied, known as the Hawthorne effect. 3. Time-consuming. Data collection and analysis. Gathering detailed, in-depth data requires significant time and effort, making case studies more time-consuming than other research methods. Longitudinal studies. If the case study observes changes over time, it can become even more prolonged. 4. Resource-intensive. Financial and human resources. Conducting comprehensive case studies may require significant financial investment and human resources, including trained researchers and participant access. Access to data. Accessing relevant and reliable data sources can be challenging, particularly in sensitive or proprietary contexts. 5. Replication difficulties. Unique contexts. A case study's specific and detailed context makes it difficult to replicate the study exactly, limiting the ability to validate findings through repetition. Variability. Differences in contexts, researchers, and methodologies can lead to variations in findings, complicating efforts to achieve consistent results. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.